Welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving this. It's the Honda Shuttle. We're back at Kylemore Cars in Bluebell, County Dublin to test drive and do a quick walk around of another used car. You may be thinking, I've never heard of the Shuttle before, and there's a good reason for that. Essentially, this model is the estate version of Honda's small family hatchback, the Jazz. Honda never sold the Jazz as an estate in Europe, and this particular model has been imported from Japan. This one is a 1.5 petrol hybrid and should offer good fuel economy. The styling, especially at the rear, maybe looks a little bit bloated, but this Shuttle has all the potential ingredients to make a solid family car, so let's take a closer look. The boot is not a bad size at all with some tie-down points, and it's bigger back here than most family crossovers. There should be more than enough capacity to hold whatever it is you need to carry. To the rear seats, and as always I've left the front seat in my driving position. I'm around 6'4", and legroom is still good, with some space under the front seat to put your feet if needed. Kids will be more than happy back here. Let's move up the front and go for a quick drive. Like the Honda Jazz, the steering lacks any real feedback, but it's what you would expect in a family wagon like this. It does feel solid from behind the wheel, and refinement overall is quite good, as there's not much road noise entering the cabin. And despite being such a long car, the visibility is still quite good. Something similar to this Shuttle on the used car market would be something from Toyota, as they know their way around hybrid systems and also have exceptional build quality. As is regularly mentioned in car reviews, Honda ownership is usually a trouble-free experience, and the Shuttle should be no different. It's not a very sporty car to drive, but why would it be? What it is though is a solid family car with a reliable engine. In here is pretty much the same interior that you get in the Honda Jazz, and in typical Honda fashion, everything feels of high quality, if a little dark and dull. The steering wheel can be adjusted for both reach and rake, and overall it's easy enough to find a comfortable driving position. To sum up the Honda Shuttle then, the Jazz, which this car is based on, has proven itself over the years as a safe, small family car, and this Shuttle just adds extra boot space. It's definitely not the best looking car by any means, but they say it's what's underneath that counts, and that 1.5 petrol hybrid combination should prove to be both economical and reliable. The Shuttle offers more versatility than the Jazz, and it's definitely an interesting choice to consider as a family car. Thanks for watching this quick test drive review of the Honda Shuttle. Leave a comment and check out our channel for more videos. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks very much for watching Deck of Cars.